Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on spell checking on Windows 10. This feature is really helpful for catching typos and improving your writing accuracy. Let's get started. First, click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open the Start menu. Next, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. This will open the Windows Settings menu. In the Settings menu, find and click on Devices. This is where you can manage all your connected devices and device-related settings. Now, on the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Typing. This is where you can customize your typing and keyboard settings. Under the typing settings, you'll see a section called Spelling. Here, you need to turn on two options to enable spell checking. First, toggle on Autocorrect misspelled words, which will automatically fix typos as you type. Next, turn on Highlight misspelled words. This option will underline any misspelled words with a red squiggly line, so you can easily spot them. And that's it, you've successfully turned on spell checking on your Windows 10 device. Now, your computer will help you catch and correct typos automatically. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.